And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 225. Let me show you the Inflate warp. Make sure your element is selected, go to Effect, Warp, use Inflate. It only goes in one direction as it affects all sides altogether, so we don't have horizontal and vertical to choose. But you can inflate it towards the outside or suck it in towards the inside. And as always, we have the distortion. So if you want the inflate to be bigger on one side, let me apply that to a text effect. Once more, make sure it's selected. Effect, warp, inflate. The bend is the intensity. Positive values inflates it outwards. Negative values will suck it in. In this case, negative effect I'll keep. And here once again, we can use the distortion. And this is how you can use the Inflate warp in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.